can give my pet fish a new home. So yeah, let's get on to it. So this is a container which my mom got when my mom ordered some food. And this is my pet fish, Dory. And we are gonna give her a new home in the World Environment Day. And so we're gonna start. Stay with me. So now I'm going to put some floating plants into the container. I'm going to put it carefully. Oh, I'm going to make sure that it doesn't spill out. So now we're going to take my pet fish and put it into here, which I'm going to be so scared. Oh. I think this much is enough. Now I think my Dory is enjoying her new home with the greens just like us.